Hello, David here, and the project for today is repairing this Storm Tradesman Infrared Electric Heater model HS 1500. And if you follow my channel, you know about 3 years ago I repaired the switch on this. It's called Repairing a Storm Infrared Electric Heater HS 1500 OTR. If you're watching on YouTube, I'll put a link up at the top. If you're watching on my Rumble channel, I'll put the link down in the description below. When I repaired this, I determined that the switch burned out, and I also determined that the switch was under-engineered, and they should have had a switch that could handle a lot more amperage than this. And after I put the switch in, I ran it for about 15 minutes, and it was working fine. And then I put it away. I didn't use it for a really long time. And then last week my neighbor needed it to heat up his garage to stain some doors. And he ran it for an hour because I told him to beware of the switch and not to leave it unattended. And he said it was fine. And then the next day he turned it on to warm up the garage, and it was dead. So I'm going to open it up, see what's going on inside. Got the back off. As with anything electrical, do not try to work it out yourself. You will get electrocuted. Take it to a qualified electrician. Okay, this is a dump switch. This shuts off the electrical current if the heater tips over, and I see some burning over here. So this could be bad. When I replace this switch, I had to buy 5 of them. So just for the heck of it, I'm going to push out this switch and just pinch those 2 ends there. Whoa. Oh, this is okay. This just pulled off with a spade. Don't see any signs of overheating. Come on, off of there, you. Oh, just damage a spade. So when I bought these switches, I had to buy 5. Gee, I wonder why. KCD3-101. It's a new switch. Okay, it's plugged in. Let's turn the switch on. And nothing. I think it's a dump switch. Check for continuity on the switch. Switch is off. Switch is on. Okay, switch is working. Here's the dump switch. Check for continuity here. Okay, I've got continuity on the dump switch. Wonder if it's this bad wire. Check for continuity. Well, that is making a connection. Let me check the plug-in. Okay, that's got continuity. This should be working. This connector's a little loose, so I'm going to tighten that up a bit. Shouldn't slide off so easy. I think that problem with the first test was the heater was lying on its side and the dump switch probably turned it off. So I'm going to switch it on and then hold it upright. Yep, I'm feeling heat. It's working now. Well, that's the end of this project. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO. If you know a high capacity switch that would work better in these heaters, please let me know. It's been running for an hour so far. The switch is not warm, but the box that encloses the switch is a little bit warm.